Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Meet link right from your mobile. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to easily schedule and join meetings on the go. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into correct account. And once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and you will find a video camera icon. Click on it and you will land on screen like this. Now you can see on the top we have two options. The first is new meeting and the other is join with code. Since we are creating a new Google Meet link, so click on new meeting and now click on get a meeting link to share. You can now copy the link. To copy the link, click on this icon or you can share it directly with your friends. And if you want to share it, then click on this share button and now you can share via these all apps. And when someone will click this link, they will be able to join your meeting. And to join the meeting yourself, click on this link and you will be taken to the meeting page. And then click on this join button in the center of the screen and that's it. You have successfully created and joined the Google Meet. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.